Hello everyone and welcome back to the beauty series. Our today's topic is nose. There is an opinion that nose increases its size with years. It happens when lateral nose muscle shrinks, pulling your nose up, which as well forms a wrinkle of the upper part of nasolabial fold. Blood flow in nose tissues is interrupted by overcontracted nose muscles, which makes nose look more massive. Due to bad lymph circulation, nose swells up and increases its size. Hydrophilic cartilage in your nose absorbs excessive liquid as a sponge, and tip of your nose enlarges and points down. It is possible to make your nose smaller and correct its shape since nose consists of cartilage tissues, fibers, skin and muscles, and those are the structures you can influence. Start off with a massage. In pinching motions, soften the area where your nose is attached to the cheeks. This exercise will allow you to soften the fibers, improve blood flow, and soften nose wings, and decrease their size. To start with the massage, make a fold in place where your nose is attached to the cheek and start softening it. And move upward. After you have massaged the area of the wings of your nose, move to the base of your nose and in soft circular motions continue massaging, moving up and down and repeating it again. Move on to the tip of your nose. You should be forming it as if you would be playing with Play-Doh. In order to get rid of excessive liquid, put your fingers on the tip of your nose and massage it very softly. This massage can take up to a minute. Now move on to face gymnastics. You are going to lower tip of your nose, creating pressure with your fingers. It should look like that. It is possible that it's not going to work out for the first time. If it's the case for you, try this. While keeping your mouth open, lift tip of your nose up with your finger and try to pull your upper lip down. After this exercise, relax your vertical nose muscle with a massage. So, if you would be following this simple complex, you'll be able to correct your nose shape and reduce its size, removing swelling. If you found this video interesting, subscribe to our channel, like this video and recommend it to your friends. Comment below what is the area you have the most problems with.